Urban air mobility taking flight with flying taxis. Urban air mobility taking flight with flying taxis. What if your next taxi ride didn't take place on the road but in the air? Urban air mobility, or UAM, is poised to make flying taxis a reality in the coming decade. Companies like Joby Aviation, Uber Elevate, and Volocopter are developing electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOLs, that could soon provide a new level of transportation convenience. These futuristic taxis will fly at low altitudes, bypassing congested streets and significantly reducing travel time within cities. Picture this. Instead of sitting in rush hour traffic, you hop into a flying taxi that whisks you across town in minutes. It sounds like something out of the Jetsons, but the technology is already being tested. Major cities around the world are exploring how to integrate these services into their transportation systems. Beyond just saving time, UAM solutions are set to be sustainable, with many of these flying vehicles running on electric power. As cities become more crowded, the sky is truly the limit for solving transportation challenges. And soon, we could all be taking to the skies to get around.